Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight markets are pretty quiet. We had some big moves to the upside yesterday, and technically the markets look great, but they also might be a little bit overbought. So we'll just kind of see how all this kind of shakes out. Farmers were big sellers on the rally and continue to have quite a bit of new crop. Corn and beans yet to sell, and they also have some inventory that they need to sell before harvest. I think the big thing was that you had so much talk about China coming in and buying corn, and they continue to buy U.S. soybeans, and so I think that supported the market after a surprise U.S. and China trade talks that was positive. We're also hearing more and more talk about crops declining here in the U.S. because of dry August. I think the trade feels that there could be another 2 to 3 percentage point drop in corn and soybean crop ratings on Monday. I think we also have seen a massive move out of the funds corn short. At one point they were short 280,000 contracts. They may be down to 50,000 contracts short now. And the funds have been active buyers of beans, and they're estimated to be long about 115,000 contracts of soybeans. So as we look ahead, first thing is the weather. It's still hot and dry across the Midwest. Hurricane Laura is expected to make landfall possibly as a Category 4 in the Gulf, and then spread rain in some locations, heavy rain across the southern part of the Delta. And it could get up into the Ohio River Valley. It still looks like a cold front is going to move down early next week into the Midwest, allowing for showers. And those are much needed, especially for the soybean crop. The interesting thing about it is after that, the maps call for normal rains, but below normal temps. And starting September 3rd, you could actually see across Canada and the extreme northern plains, temperatures close to 32 degrees. The coldest day for the U.S. Midwest might be September the 8th. So we just have to keep watching the maps and see how they deal with the rain event and also the colder temps. For fall, I don't think anybody's looking for a wet fall harvest, but there might be showers off and on. So I think that's a good thing, especially for the Iowa farmer who is concerned about a wet fall, adding to their woes with the crop being flattened because of those straight line winds. Also, I think we've got ethanol data today, export sales numbers tomorrow, and we'll just kind of see if demand is picking up, and if we need, even if the loss in bushels, we need demand to improve to bring carryouts down to a level that will continue to move prices higher. So again, 925 November beans is an important resistance price, just like 350, 360 D's corn, and 550 as far as nearby Chicago wheat. We do note that our wheat prices have rallied, and now we're considerably higher from an export standpoint versus German, Baltic, and Russia. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, changing tomorrow starts today.